Falling for someone and want to make them a cool gift? Stick around to learn out how to make leaf rubbings with Sci Crafts. The materials you'll need for this craft are paper, colored pencils, and of course, leaves. First, lay your paper down flat. Then, choose the leaf that you want to use. I'm going to choose this one. Make sure that the side with the veins, or xylem, is facing upwards so it shows through the paper. This will help make sure that the details will come out correctly. Then place the leaf underneath the paper. Next, choose the color that you want to use. I'm going with dark green. Now, lightly shade in one direction on the paper on top of the leaf. Did you know that leaves provide food and oxygen to help plants stay healthy? Can you believe that? Now, once you're finished coloring, remove your leaf from the bottom of the paper, and there you have it, a complete leaf rubbing. Let's do this again with another leaf. This time, I'm going to choose this leaf, which came off an elm tree. Remember to place it underneath the paper with the vein side up. I'm going to color this one orange. By the way, did you know that elm trees have unique properties such as rapid growth, adaptation to different climates, strong wood, and resistance to damage? This is why elm trees are the most commonly planted trees in North America. Once you're done shading, you'll have another completed leaf rubbing. I'm going to do this one more time, but feel free to do as many as you want. You can use any type of leaf in any color that you want. You could use colored pencils like I am here, or you could even use crayons. Just make sure to shade lightly so you can capture as many details as possible. After you've completed your leaf rubbings, you can make cards for your friends and family, frame them, or even cut them out and hang them up for a nice fall decoration. Thanks for watching! To take this craft a step further, look out for part 2 on our page where we'll show you how to make a mobile with your leaf rubbings. Happy fall!